Now what we are going to do, we are going to save data to the database. For saving data, the process is very simple. At first you need to make the query. Just write SQL. We are going to make SQL query. SQL is equal insert into name of our table, that was players, name of the column we have name column, club. For now we don't need ID because by default it will add ID 1, 2, 3 because it is on auto incremented. Values will be, what will be the value? Let's make the name of Lionel, comma Lionel Messi. Messi club is FC Barcelona. Don't forget about this semicolon. We need to execute this query. Okay, for executing this query there are two different ways. I'll show both of them. First, the easiest way. Okay, later on I'll show the notably way so you can make more better. Okay, at first just write PDO object and query, and the query will be SQL. Don't forget about this $sign. Save it once again, reload the page. This should add to the database right now. Okay, you see record 2 has been added, that is ID 2 Lionel Messi FC Barcelona. So we also can execute our query by using Exec. Okay, SQL semicolon. Let's change the name to Luis Suarez. Save it and reload the page. Go to the database. You see ID 3, it has been added, Luis Suarez and Club Barcelona. We have made create operation, that means we are inserting data to the database. Let's read the data from the database. For that, what I am going to do, I am going to fetch by using SQL query. For now, let's comment it out. At first we are going to see the unsecure way. Okay, make the SQL query to read the data. Just write SQL is equal select all from players, the name of our table, where ID is equal 1. Okay, below that just write PDO as like we have done previously, query SQL. You see, this is very simple, but now this time we need to assign that inside a variable, that will be stmt statement. Okay, let's create one more variable of result. Result is equal stmt fetch. This is the function we are going to need to fetch the data from the database. You can see the fetching data from here, below here. Okay, fetch the next row from the result. Here we can set our attribute as we said before here, but here the way is different. Just write PDO double colon fetch. There are tons of different fetching. We can fetch num, we can fetch object. At first let's see by using fetch num. Okay, now let's print our result. Print underscore r result, save and reload the page. It's saying showing the result, ID is on CR7. This is the second column and third column is Juventus, but we want to make it more precise so we can see properly. So for that just write echo break line and pre. Don't forget about this semicolon. Now it is more precise. For example, we just want this club name and this is the index of 2 because we are getting this as an index, as a num. So for that just write like this, okay. Reload the page. You see we are getting only the club name. Here the ID is the index 0, 1 and 2. Okay, here in the PDO statement you can see different fetch style. We have used fetch num to get our column, returns an array index by column number, but we want to get by using row number. For that we can see we have fetch assoc returns an array index by column name. This is we are getting by using column name, but here we are getting by using column number. So let's get by using column name. So instead of fetch name, make it fetch assoc. And let's see the result at first. Reload the page. It's showing this result. We want to get by using this ID or this name. Let's use this name as our name parameters. In here just give the array sign, quotation mark, name. Now we will get the name only, CR7. Okay,